Okay, we got the $23 window in, this lower left window, and turned out pretty good. Got it in. That's what broke. That board there used to be there, as you know. Now the tricky part is outside of the bus, the seal is thicker here, that dimension between there, and here and here. This is thinner in this inside part. Well, we tried doing a lot of things. I tried putting the rubber seal in first, then the window, and that was just wrestling around. Nothing could happen. It just didn't work. So we put the window in the rubber seal and then put the whole thing in. We just had to kind of tilt it and jury it around and wrestle with it. And it was a wrestling game. And we had to take the screwdriver and just kind of slowly pry it up a little bit, push the thing out, push it out from each side. And it's just a wrestling match. And being really careful, because there were times when I thought that I may have touched the glass with a screwdriver and pried it a little bit. So that's what you have to be careful of, that you only pry the rubber around. But it got in there. That may not have been the right way to do it, and the easiest way. It probably took around 35 minutes. You know, give or take. But no, it's in there right. It's in there proper. $23 window fixed. Over and out.